Are you tired of buying expensive hand creams and body creams? Or perhaps you have a skin allergy and you don't like to have too many chemicals in your body creams? Well, I've got just the answer for you. I'm going to teach you how to make your own body cream just using two ingredients. The first ingredient is going to be aqueous cream, which you normally find in a 500 ml container at your pharmaceutical store. Um, it's got very few harmful ingredients because it's mostly used for babies. Today I'm going to be using avocado oil with my aqueous cream, but you could just as easily use olive oil or you could use coconut oil. So for easy mixing, I have put it into a bowl. And for my 500 mils, I've got about 150 mils of the oil that I'm going to use with it. So today mine is avocado oil. Avocado oil being fabulous for the skin. As we know, avocados are just marvelous all round for health. To begin with, you'll notice that your mixture is a little bit like a thin sort of egg white, but as you start to mix the oil in, it's obviously going to become a little bit more substantial. So you could do this in batches, or if you've got a food processor, you could just pop it in with a mixing blade and do that quite easily. But it's easy enough to do in a little bowl on its own. And you'll find that this, once you've actually started to apply it onto your skin, it's not oily or greasy at all. It lasts really nicely, and you can just pop it into a very nice jar with an easy to screw on and off lid so that you can get to it nice and accessibly. Very nice if you've got people with skin problems. You can see it's starting to thicken up. It's getting to be a little bit more like mayonnaise, and that is what you're looking for, is being able to get it a little bit more mayonnaise-like. There we go, mixing in nicely. And it's only a few minutes and you're going to have a lovely hand cream. So you make sure you dig down to the bottom because you can already see the difference in the actual way it's looking. The bottom part is still looking a bit like fluffy egg white, almost meringue-like. Great, so here we go. If you would like to add fragrance to this, then just choose your own essential oil that you find pleasing. And obviously with essential oils, they can be very strong, so be careful about adding too much of that. And if you're pregnant or you have any existing medical conditions, then obviously just take into consideration that not all of your essential oils are good for that. Okay, so your hand cream is pretty much mixed now. And once you've completely combined it like this, then all that remains is that you need to just pop it into a jar and it's ready for use. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I use this permanently as my daily cream. I use it on my face, my arms, my legs. It's an all-over thing, and it's actually really cost-effective to make. Okay, I'm going to be doing some more videos on creams and things and some fun soaps, so please tune in, like my channel and subscribe, and you'll get the latest notifications. Bye for now.